guys, today is our second day here in Paris and we're going to Disneyland.
Merci, au revoir.
Sobrang dami ng tao. Video to. Picture. Ha? I'm not sure. I'm so happy. Thank you, Mahat. Yes, I'm inside. Ang view from here. So let's go. Tara, live na tayo.
Themselves will all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. It's time for me to pick the fine time to send.
First ride na trinay namin na itong Buzz Lightyear. Medyo disappointed kami kasi akala namin pang edad namin siya pero hindi pala. Tapos sobrang haba pa ng pila kasi sobrang daming tao talaga. And yun. But nag-enjoy naman kami ng bonggang. And then next ride na tinry namin na itong Hyperspace Mountain. Roller coaster siya sa dulo. So we're going to space! Kasi ayoko ng roller coaster. Ayoko talaga siya. Paano ko? Gutom na kami. It's already 1 and kakatas lang namin mag-rides. Hasta la vista, vaquero.
I love it. Ako din, gusto ko din. Mosi. Enchilada. What?
Soup manchego.
Let's go inside. Ale. And churros. Ito na yung lunch namin guys. So, bon appetit! And andito na kami sa Riverboat Landing. Naghihintay ng boat for sure. Riverboat nga. And yan sa harap ay isang roller coaster. Parang mining thing like that. itatry ko natin yan after. And yes, now we're just waiting for them to get out. So, we're here na guys, and ito yung view. Sorry, hindi ko na kayo may ikot kasi yung memory card ko medyo puno na. Hello guys! So, andito na tayo sa Big Thunder Mountain. Yung tinuro ko sa inyo kanina sa may riverboat. Yep, let's do it guys!
Gago. Kan inte se. Mais il pleure, nej. Caméra là.
Naulan guys. So, papasukin namin ngayon yung castle. Naulan since earlier. But it's okay. Ang ganda niya ano. Look at the price. 15,000 euro. Grabe, wag na po. Yung mga baso na dito, 19 euro. For that. Sarap yan, continue.
Would you make your change doing it? Continue.
Palabas na kami ngayon and rating sa Disneyland Paris guys is 3/5. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang Disneyland na pang bata, pang matanda. Dito pang bata lang talaga siya guys. So yeah. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye po.
Goodbye guys. Au revoir and à bientôt. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram account and like me on Facebook. Bisous bisous. Mwah.